Have you ever tried to adjust the audio in your clip, only to find that your video is stuck right there with it? It's like two best friends glued at the hip. In most cases, this is a useful feature and what we want. However, sometimes the relationship just doesn't work out. There's a shortcut for that. In Final Cut Pro 11, when you drag a video to the timeline, your audio and video are automatically paired together and placed as a single clip. With the clip selected, press Ctrl-Shift-S to detach the audio. You're now free to change or delete the video or audio, shift the timing. The possibilities are endless. This is just one of the many time-saving tricks you can learn in Final Cut Pro 11. Looking for more tips? Visit anawesomeguide.com to boost your editing skills.